All right, so my job here is to turn this piece of paper, which is kind of large, into a booklet that hopefully looks something like this, okay, with pages and everything else here in about 90 seconds. So I think I'm already behind because I dropped my paper. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a piece of paper and make a hot dog fold. So go ahead and do that. If you are trying this at home, you can pause it at any time. I encourage you to grab a pair of scissors. You're going to need them. I'm going to start with that hot dog fold, right? So I took that piece of paper and I folded it lengthwise. Okay, and then I want to take it, keep it folded like that. Now let's fold it over once. Okay, so I just took it, folded it over one time, right? And that's one good fold. Okay, so now it looks like this. And I'm going to fold it one more time, just right along those same lines. So try and keep those corners as tight as you can. Okay, now that I've kind of folded it like that, I'll bring it out, open it up again, open it up all the way. Okay, so now I've got this long piece of paper, got all these different kind of broken up into eighths there. Now I'm going to fold it in half this way. Okay, it's the tricky part here. You go here, and what I want to do, I'm going to cut from right here on the folded side. I'm going to cut from there down to the midpoint. Okay, so I'm going to take it. Get right to there. So I have these two pieces flopping in here. Now, this is going to be the trickiest part. So if you got to pause, you got to pause. But you go here. So you got that hole there. If you got the hole, I'm going to flip this side toward me, leaving that hole up so I should be able to make a mouth with it, right? Make sure these are good. Good there. Good there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to push this side around, just going to push them together. And then magically, voila, I have a booklet. Make sure all those corners match up. And you should end up with a booklet. I have to kind of, go over some corners here and there. But I end up with a booklet that I can open up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all kinds of pages in here. And that's how you're going to fold your Bill of Rights booklet.